Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Klipsch RSB-11 soundbar and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting, in case this soundbar is not working for some reason, like it's not connecting to your TV, or it's not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth, or if it's not responding. Anything like that can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now, the second reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason you might have where you want to delete the pairing history, delete all the settings off of it, so you can set this soundbar up basically like it's a new soundbar coming out of the box. We can go ahead and do this with this reset. All we need to do on it is, with power to it, we're just going to come in and we're going to press and hold the volume down and the volume up buttons simultaneously for several seconds until all of the lights go out on the soundbar, indicating that it has been reset to the factory default settings. At which point we can go ahead and turn it on and set it up basically like it's a brand new soundbar coming out of the box with all the default settings.